Hey there, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to change your Instagram bio on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Enter profile present at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your Instagram profile. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. Tap on the Edit Profile button on your profile page. Step 4. Select the Bio option. Select the Bio option to edit your Instagram bio. Step 5. Enter the new bio on the next page. Type in your new bio on the next page. You can add emojis, hashtags, and links to your bio to make it more interesting. Step 6. To confirm the new bio, select the check mark at the top right of the screen. Once you're done editing your bio, tap on the check mark at the top right corner of the screen to confirm your changes. And that's it! You've successfully changed your Instagram bio on your Android device. By following these simple steps, you can easily update your Instagram profile and keep your followers up to date with your latest information. It's important to note that your Instagram bio is limited to 150 characters, so make sure to keep it short and sweet. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on your favorite apps and services. Thanks for watching.